Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making some hot and spicy ketchup wings. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, as you can see, I already have my wings. I added some Goya adobo seasoning. I added some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some Creole seasoning. And I'm also going to add some Mrs. Dash original blend. From here, you're just going to combine and let it sit overnight. Alright, so to fry the chicken, first thing I'm going to do, I have 1 egg and some milk. In this bowl, I'm going to add a little Creole seasoning and some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and whisk together. And next, in a Ziploc bag or a bowl or something, I'm going to use a Ziploc bag because it's a little bit easier. I'm going to add some flour. Alright. And to the flour, I'm going to add some Creole seasoning again, some Maggi all-purpose, and some paprika. And again, combine. Alright, so what we're gonna do, you're going to take the chicken, dip it in the egg and milk mixture, and then drop it in the flour. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to seal it and flour all of the chicken. Oops. As you can see. Alright. My oil is hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the chicken. Alright, so I have my chicken. So for the sauce, you have two options. You can either try to find the spicy ketchup, which I've seen a few in places like Walmart and whatever, but I've never tried the ones from Walmart. So you can either try to buy it, or you can use your regular ketchup and your hot pepper sauce. So when I don't have the spicy ketchup, I use these two. Since I do, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to add the chicken to the Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to pour the ketchup sauce in, and then just mix it around to get the sauce, to get all the chicken covered in the sauce, as you can see. And if you've never tried these before, these are actually really good. The next thing I'm going to do is transfer the wings from the bag into a pan, and you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now these are ready for the... Alright, there you have it. After 20 minutes in the oven, that's what it looks like. If you give these a try, let me know how you like it.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.